Let's continue chapter 12 Measures of Mass. Today we'll cover the topic addition, subtraction and statement sums. Let's start with addition. Find the sum. So you can see it is in liter and milliliter. So make two columns. One is of liter, another one is of milliliter. Now put this value here 171 liter. So write here 171 in liters column. 20 milliliter, write 20 in milliliters column. 62 milliliter, write 62 in milliliters column. As you can see, there is no liter number, so you can put zeros here. Next is 285 liter, write it here 285 in liters column. 50 milliliter, write 5050 in milliliters column. As you can see, we are finding the sum, so let's do the addition and put the sign of addition, that is plus. Start from ones place. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 5 13. 3 1 carry over. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 carry over is 7. 7 plus 8 15. 5 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 carry over is 4. So you can see here 457 liter, write it here. 32 milliliter, write it here. So 457 liter, 32 milliliter is our answer. Next question is find the difference between 1227 liter and 28 liter 749 milliliter. So you can see here also the same units are there. So arrange two columns. One is liter, another one is of milliliter. 1227 liters, so write it here 1227 in liters column. 28 liter, write it here in liters column, that is 28. Here is no number, you can put zeros. 749 milliliter, write it here 749 in milliliters column. You can see it's blank, you can put zeros here. Difference means you have to find the difference, that means you have to do subtraction. So put the sign of subtraction, that is minus. Start from here. 0 minus 9 is not possible, so 0 will borrow 1 from 7 and 7 will become 6 and other zeros will become 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 8 is again not possible, so 6 will borrow from 2 and 2 will become 1 here. 16 minus 8 is 8. 1 minus 2 is not possible, so 1 will again borrow from 2, so 2 will become 1 here. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. You can see 1198 liter, write it here. 251 milliliter, write it here. So with this you can see 1198 liter 251 milliliter is your answer. Next topic is statement sum. Dhruv bought 18 liter of paint for painting doors and windows. He required 5 liter for painting doors and 11 liter 472 milliliter for painting windows. How much paint is left? You can see here is a boy. His name is Dhruv. He bought 18 liter of paint. For what purpose? Painting doors and windows. But he required 5 liter for painting doors and 11 liter 472 milliliter for painting the windows. You have to find how much paint is left. Okay, so let's start. Quantity of paint required for windows. You will write it here. Quantity of paint. Quantity term we have used because it is in liter and milliliter. So which object is here? Paint. So write it here. Quantity of paint required for doors, that is 5 liter only, write it here. Next is quantity of paint required for windows, that is 11 liter 472 milliliter. Total how much paint is required here for painting windows and windows? So find it here. We will write here total quantity of paint required for painting doors and windows. Let's do the addition in the rough side. I'll write it here, liter and milliliter. 5 liter, 11 liter, 472 milliliter. Add it here. 2, 7, 4, 6 and 1. So it means 16 liter 472 milliliter is paint is required for painting doors and windows. So he bought 18 liter of paint. So let's write it here. Quantity of paint bought, that is 18 liter. Quantity of paint required, that is 16 liter 472 milliliter. How much paint is left? So you will write here quantity of paint left. Left is the keyword of subtraction. Let's do the subtraction in the rough side again. Liter as well as write it in milliliter. Make 2 columns. Now put the value 18 liter. Next is 16 liter 472 milliliter. Do the subtraction here. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you can see here 1 liter 528 milliliter. So you can write here, thus 1 liter 528 milliliter paint is left with him. Keep practicing. Thank you so much.